Hi, welcome to my apartment. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Diane OB. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I create fashion, lifestyle and beauty content. So in today's video we're going to be doing a house tour. I'm finally showing you guys my house after like so many requests that I've gotten. I'm finally showing you guys my house, showing you like the setup, how I like put everything in place, just basically all the things I got to make the house look very minimalist and just very cozy, because I like cozy places. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see how I design my house, keep on watching this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is of course this area. First of all, you have the door, which we just came from, and then over to your right we have this large mirror, and it's basically just covering my wardrobe. So my wardrobe is here, and should I show you guys my wardrobe? But yeah, this is basically my wardrobe. I just have like my jackets here, and then over here I keep my bags, my shoes, and a few clothes that I wear like quite often, and here are my jackets. So that's basically what I have in my wardrobe. And then to the left we have the bathroom and toilet, but I'll show you guys later on. Let's move over to the kitchen. Let's go. Over here we have my kitchen. So my kitchen it's quite small, but I really like it. And we just have the cabinets over here. I have top cabinets, my cabinets over here, and on this side I just have my blender because I use it like almost every day, and I have my toaster, and I also have like my protein shake and the rest of them. So well, in this cabinet I just keep my plates and my cups, nothing so special. And then over here I keep like my snacks and the rest of them. Then in this cabinet I just have like my spices that I use on a regular, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So over here I just have this plant. I got this plant from JYSK. It's a fake plant as well, but I really like it, so I just kept it here. So that's all we have on this side of the table. Very minimalist, I told you guys. So over here I just have my cutleries. I just have my spoons, forks, knives, and basically things that I use every day to cook. And then over here I just have bean bags, chopsticks, foil, chopping board, and some other stuff that I use to cook as well. Then down here I just have my pots and pans. I have my cooker here, and I also have my fridge over here. I like the size of my fridge, not too big, not too small, it's just perfect. And over here I have my washing machine. I'm so thankful for this washing machine, guys. It has saved me from a lot of hard labor. Let's move over to this side of the apartment. This is basically just like my workstation slash dining slash editing place. I basically film my YouTube videos here, like my sit down videos. I film them here. This is also like my dining table, so I eat here as well, and I edit. I'll do whatever work I have to do here. And yeah, basically that's what this place is for. This is a fake plant actually. I think I got it from JYSK. Then the clock came with the house. I didn't get that. Okay, so moving over to this section of the apartment. This is just like the living room slash sitting room area. And over here I just have a couch. This is my center table. I have just a candle. You guys, obviously you can tell that I really love candles because they just smell amazing, scented candles. And then I also have a diffuser here. I love the smell of this diffuser. It just fills the entire apartment and I love it so much. And moving on to this couch. So this couch actually came with the house. I didn't buy it with my money. It came with the house. It's actually a couch bed. This was what I was sleeping on before I got an actual bed. You can just like remove it, like just open it up and then it becomes a bed. So yeah, I've put it back and it's now a couch. So I just put it on this side of the apartment. And then over here we have my floating shelves. I love this section of my house so freaking much, you guys. I got these floating shelves from, it was from a Ukrainian site, but I think they shipped from IKEA. I think IKEA in Poland, so I'm not sure. I will leave the link to everything down below, so don't forget to check the description box. So yeah, I got these floating shelves for about, I think each were like 200 and something. Yeah, I just got a carpenter to install them for me. And yeah, so on them I just put my perfumes and some frames and some candles as well. So I got this tray, this gold tray from JYSK. It was about 200 and something grievings, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going to leave the link to everything down below, don't worry. So it was like 200 and something grievings. So I just use it to put my perfumes. Guys, we're slowly building the collection, so very soon it's going to be filled up. So over here I have like my frame, which is just like a family picture, and then I have this very nice sculpture. I just really like everything about, I love everything about this, you guys. I just had to buy it when I saw it. And over here we have this fake plant. This fake plant is just, it's basically just falling leaves. I love it so much. I got it from JYSK. Over here we have this mini, we have this humidifier. I love it so much. It's a bunny. But yeah, I love it so much. It's just so cute. Over here we have another candle, and then over here we have these books. They are just decor books, actually they're not real, so I just put them over there to just put everything together and make it look, you know, very chic, very nice. I love it so much. So yeah, let's move over to this side of the apartment. Okay, so on this part of the apartment, this is my bedroom area, and this is my favorite place in my apartment because of my bed, of course. My bed is a 140 by 200 centimeter bed. I love the fact that it's not too small and it's not too big, because we know that the apartment is quite small, so we don't want a very huge bed. Guys, I procrastinated. Like, the amount of procrastination that went in before I got this bed, it was a lot. Okay, it was a lot, but I finally got it. I got it from the same place I got the floating shelves. I think it's from IKEA. And then I just have 4 pillows on my bed with my 2 small little throw pillows and my bed sheets. So right on top of the bed we have these 2 beautiful frames. You guys, I fell in love with line drawing as soon as I saw it on Dima Ume's house tour, because she had this exact line drawing, and then the other one I just got it from, I saw it like on Etsy, and then I loved it. So these frames are from JYSK. They're about 70 something grievings thereabouts, and then I printed this the line drawings. I got the line drawings from Etsy. They were about, I don't know, $7 or so, and then I printed them at my local printing store, and then I just put them on the frame, and then here we have it. So yeah, if you're looking to, you know, make your space look really nice with line drawings, definitely check out the description box. I'm going to leave the link to everything down below. So yes, what else? My bed. What else? Okay, so let's move over here. This is just my study area. I got this study table. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, so if you want to know, please check it out. It was from a Ukrainian site. What else? I got these pampas grass from a Ukrainian site as well, but I really love the way it looks, and I didn't want so much, so I just got 2. And then I got this little vase from I think Epicenter or JYSK. Yeah, Epicenter. Yeah, I got it from Epicenter. And then over here we just have my tiny little cross, which I love so much. And here we have this frame. This frame was done by my friend. He's into writing, and this is just very beautiful. So I just kept it on top of my study table. Over here we just have my laptop and my books. So I have 1 book for content creating and 1 book for just my regular notebook for everyday activities that I write. Then over here we just have my TV, and we have my TV stand. Nothing so extra. I really didn't feel like putting anything or decorating anything on it because I just felt like, I don't know, that would be doing so much of it, but I like it plain and simple. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're back to this side of the apartment, and let's have a look at my toilet. My bathroom. I think this is my favorite part of this house, or second favorite part of this house, but yeah, I love everything about it. I love the colors, I love the mirrors. These 2 big mirrors here, they're like literally everything. Over here I just put this little flower. It's a fake plant. I love the fact that it's purple. And over here I just have my toothbrush, toothpaste, and I have a diffuser here. I got this diffuser from Epicenter, and I love this diffuser so much because it smells like Baccarat. I don't know if you guys know that Baccarat 540. It smells a lot like it, so I really like it. And over here I just have my sink, and here I just have a cabinet where I keep like my hair products and skincare products and the rest of them. And then over here we have another mirror, and we just have the toilet water heater where I keep my towels. And then over here I have my laundry basket, and yeah, that is it for my toilet. So okay guys, so right now I'm filming my phone because the battery of my camera died. But yeah, that is all for this house tour. I'm finally done, you guys. It's been like 4 or 5 months of trying to get everything in order and putting everything in place. So I'm really happy that my house has finally come together. Hopefully you guys, you know, get 1 or 2 inspirations. Hopefully this is inspo for you if you're trying to furnish your apartment in any way. And yeah, I'm so happy that I'm finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And do not forget to subscribe, please, you guys. Let's get to 1K subscribers. I'm really counting on you guys, and I know I can. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah.